Welcome to our deep dive into the future of Bitcoin and the broader crypto market. Today, we'll explore the insights and predictions from one of the most influential voices in the crypto world, Arthur Hayes. Stay tuned as we unravel what lies ahead for digital assets in the coming years. What lies ahead for Bitcoin? This question has been on the minds of investors, traders, and enthusiasts alike. As we navigate through the complexities of the crypto landscape, let's uncover the potential paths Bitcoin might take in the near future. With financial analysts and crypto enthusiasts everywhere discussing where Bitcoin and other digital assets could head in the next few years, Arthur Hayes' predictions stand out as both bold and insightful. As the co-founder of BitMEX, a prominent Bitcoin trading platform and a well-respected figure in the crypto world, Hayes has forecasted an exciting yet volatile future for digital assets. Today, we'll explore his predictions for the 2025 crypto market with a deep dive into the impacts of the US political landscape, macroeconomic shifts, Bitcoin's trajectory, and Hayes' top altcoin picks. Hayes paints a picture where Bitcoin's growth potential could reach new heights, setting up 2025 as a potentially monumental year for crypto. Arthur Hayes suggests that the outcome of the upcoming US presidential election could have significant implications for Bitcoin and the broader crypto market, though perhaps not in the way one might expect. According to Hayes, the political climate is highly polarized, and 2025 might start with post-election volatility, as we could see challenges to election results. Both Kamala Harris and Donald Trump, who Hayes considers the likely frontrunners, are unlikely to significantly alter their approaches to the crypto space. Trump has shown little interest in promoting crypto adoption, and Harris has yet to make any strong moves in the sector either. This status quo means that regardless of who wins, the path forward for crypto regulations and government support remains relatively stagnant. Yet Hayes posits that both leaders will face enormous economic constraints. With the US national debt soaring and elite interests shaping policy decisions, economic actions may look similar under either administration. The choice of president could have more impact on social dynamics than on substantial changes in financial policy. Hayes highlights that neither candidate has put forth a pro-crypto stance. He suggests that this lack of active support, combined with a likely political standoff and a sharp division in public sentiment, could mean that Bitcoin and other decentralized assets grow as alternative assets in a stagnant, if not hostile, regulatory environment. For those looking to diversify beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, Hayes offers intriguing picks for the altcoin market. He names Athena, Pendle, Dogecoin, and Goat as top choices, each with unique value propositions suited to different investor profiles. Athena in particular stands out due to its impressive 13% annual percentage yield. Hayes sees this high yield as appealing for investors in a high-liquidity, low-interest environment where traditional investments may not offer substantial returns. Pendle, on the other hand, is known for its focus on yield tokenization and could be well positioned as DeFi platforms evolve. Meanwhile, Hayes also believes that meme coins like Dogecoin will continue to capture cultural interest, especially given their strong community engagement and the light-hearted element they bring to the crypto space. Goat, another pick, represents an emerging platform with potential in niches that cater to more speculative and experimental investors. Hayes suggests that a well-rounded portfolio could include a mix of these coins, with the more speculative picks like Dogecoin and Goat balanced by stable, yield-generating assets like Athena and Pendle. Segment 6, US debt and monetary policy's influence on crypto. A major theme in Hayes' analysis is the role of US debt and its impact on monetary policy. With the federal debt now exceeding $30 trillion, Hayes argues that the US government has limited options beyond continued borrowing and spending. Key spending areas such as the military, healthcare, and debt servicing create a cycle that keeps inflating the national debt, pushing the government toward further quantitative easing. For Hayes, this massive debt burden will likely force the US to keep printing money despite the long-term risks of inflation. He foresees the US facing a pivotal shift in the coming years, moving from global outsourcing to reindustrialization as geopolitical tensions reshape supply chains. This trend could increase the costs of goods and services, which in turn might pressure the government to continue printing money to support economic growth. Hayes believes that the resulting inflation will further drive citizens to Bitcoin and other digital assets as a hedge, as people increasingly lose faith in fiat's ability to preserve purchasing power. In this scenario, Hayes argues, crypto could emerge as a safe haven investment, shielded from inflation and offering protection against the erosion of fiat currencies. Segment 7, Key Takeaways and Forecast Summary. As we've discussed, Hayes' forecast for the 2025 crypto market revolves around several core themes: political dynamics, economic stimulus, the supply limitations of Bitcoin, and the rising appeal of digital assets as inflation hedges. Bitcoin's price potential, according to Hayes, could range from $100,000 to $250,000 by 2025, with a high probability of reaching $1 million in the longer term. This projection hinges on a continuation of inflationary policies, high levels of quantitative easing, and a growing distrust of traditional financial systems. Hayes also sees Ethereum and Solana as top contenders in the altcoin space, with both benefiting from increased liquidity and application growth. Meanwhile, for investors willing to explore beyond the major coins, Hayes recommends assets like Athena, Pendle, Dogecoin, and GOAT. Each of these has a unique appeal, ranging from stable returns to cultural and speculative interests. Ultimately, Hayes' outlook suggests a future where crypto is not just a niche investment but a critical asset class, especially in an economy shaped by high debt and continuous monetary easing. As we wrap up, it's clear that the crypto market could be on the brink of something extraordinary. Hayes' predictions serve as a reminder that while risks exist, the opportunities for growth are immense. Bitcoin's potential as a safe haven asset could redefine wealth preservation in an inflationary world, while altcoins bring innovative solutions and growth potential. So, where do you stand? Do you think Bitcoin could truly reach $250,000 or even $1 million in the coming years? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more